Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Tanisha Bhagwandare. Today's in my refresher course. Today's my micro teaching topic is operation on a function. In this topic, we have to see first what is meant by function, definition of a function. If f is a rule which associate every element of set x with the unique element of set y, then the rule f is called function from set x into set y. That is simplify f of x tends to y is relation in which for element in set S there is a unique element of set y. There are the three part of function, that is the domain, codomain and range. First we have to see the domain. What is meant by domain? If f as to a to b is a function where a and b is not equal to 5, then the set A is called domain of f. Domain of f is denoted by df. For example, when the function f of x is equal to x2 is given by x is equal to value of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, then their domain element is 1, 2, 3. Next, the codomain. Here we have to see the definition of codomain. What mean by codomain? If f as a to b is a function where a and b is not equal to 5, then the set b is called the codomain. The codomain of f is denoted by the codomain of f. For example, if f as to a to b is a function and where a is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and b is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 15, then the codomain of f is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11 and 15. That is mean by codomain. Next, range. What is mean by range? If f as to a to b is a function where a b is not equal to 5, then the subset b which contain all relative element of a is called range of f. Range of a function is denoted by the rf. Here we can explain the example of a range. If f of x is equal to 3x plus 2, here a is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and b is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 15, then f of x is equal to 3x plus 2, then f of 0 is equal to 2, f of 1 is equal to 5, f of 2 is equal to 8 and f of 3 is equal to 11. Since range of a function f is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11. From this way, we can define the range. Next slide. Operation of a function. We can perform operation of a function. We can perform operation on a function in much the same way that we perform operation on a number or expression. We can add, subtract, multiply, divided function by the operating the rules. Here, operation of a function, notation for a function operation. If we added two function, then their notation we can see that f plus gx is equal to f of x plus g of x. If we done operation on function, that is the subtraction, then we can write as f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. In the multiplication, we can write as f into g of x is equal to f of x into g of x. And division term, we have to written as f upon g of x is equal to f of x upon g of x, where g of x is not equal to zeros. Using this operation, we have to evaluate some problem. Here you can see the operation with the function. The first one is the first one is the addition problem. In the addition problem, we have to given one problem. F of x is equal to 5x minus 6 and g of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Find each function f plus g of x. Here, in the solution part, we can see that addition operation of a function, that is f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. That means the value of f of x is equal to 5x minus 6 and value of g of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Here we expand opening the bracket and positive negative term of the 5x and cx getting the cancel, and only we have to getting the remaining term is x square. In the second part, we have to see that is the subtraction, operation of a function subtraction. We have to given the next example for subtraction part. If f of x is equal to 5x minus 6 and g of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, then we have to done activity of subtraction. Therefore, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Here value of f of x is 5x minus 6 and value of g of x is x square minus 5x plus 6. That's mean we expanding the bracket and then we getting opening the bracket, then we getting the equation 5x minus 6 minus x square plus 5x plus 6. Here we have to getting the final answer is minus x square plus 10x plus 12. Next operation with the function, that is the multiplication. In the multiplication, we have to the taken problem. F of x is equal to x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x square minus 4. Find the value of function, that is f into g of x. Here f into g of x is equal to f of x into g of x. That means the value of f of x is x plus 2 and value of g of x is x square minus 4. Here we opening the bracket, then we have to we multiply the first bracket to second bracket, then first multiply x to x square, that is the x cube. X to minus 4 is minus 4x plus 2 into x square is 2x square and plus 2 minus 4 is, that is the 8. Finally, we have to getting the answer x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 8. Next operation with the function, that is the division. In the division rule, we can see that f of x is equal to x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x square minus 4. Find the function g of x upon f of x. In the solution part, we can see that g of x upon f of x. First, we put the value of g of x, that is the x square minus 4 upon f of x value is x plus 2. Here we taking the factor form of x square minus 4, that is the x minus 2 and x plus 2 upon x plus 2. The common multiple factor x plus 2 and x plus 2 getting cancelled and we getting the final answer x plus 2. Next, this is the 4 operation on the function, that is the addition, multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the next slide, we have to see the definition of composition of a function. The composite function means the composition of a function f and g are given by f into g of x is equal to f of g of x. F into g of x is read as f composed to g. Steps in computing f into g of x. The first step is beginning with the f function. Second step is plug the g formula in for x. Third is complete the f formula, and fourth number is reduce the equation. Suppose we have to taking the example of composite function. Suppose f of x is equal to x square plus 3 and g of x is equal to 4x. G of x is equal to 4x. Then f into g of x is equal to f of g of x. Plug the g formula in the for x in the f formula. That means f 4 of x is equal to 4x square plus 3. The 4x square is 16x square and plus 3. And g f of x is equal to g of f of x. Plugs the f formula in x, plug the f formula in for x in the g formula. That means g, substitute the value of x square plus 3 is equal to 4. Substitute the value of x in place of x square plus 3. That means the right hand side is 4 into x square plus 3 is equal to 4x square plus 12. Composite function, that means the new function formed by the function composition when the output of one function is used to input of the another function. That is the composite function. Therefore, we have to see in this lecture the function, definition of function, part of function, domain, codomain, range. After that, operation of a function. mm, what operation we have to done on function, that is the subtraction, multiplication and division. Later we see the composition of a function. In composite function, we plug first function to another function and again another function to first function. This is my micro teaching topic. Thank you so much.